everyone, and welcome back. I want to share with you my first hunt with a suppressor, or rather my first deer hunt with a suppressor. Now, I've hunted coyotes and hogs in the past with a suppressor, but this is my first real actual deer hunt. I both hunt with the rifle, pistol, and bow, but this is the very first time I've ever used a suppressor on a deer. It's a very nice 10-point. I want to show you this. So I won't keep you too long, but basically I'm using a 6.8 SPC rifle for this hunt, and what I like about this rifle is it's light, it doesn't recoil much, and it does the job for the Central Texas deer that we have around here. I'm using a 30 caliber suppressor that I bought for a 300 blackout build. The cool thing about this suppressor is, since it is 30 caliber, it has the same thread pattern as the 300 blackout, plus it has the same thread pattern as the 6.8. 6.8 is a 270 caliber bullet, so it's actually smaller than a 30 caliber, so you can put this big can on this rifle here. Right here is the 300 blackout. This is what my son uses. This is the 6.8 with a 100 grain bullet. I've settled on a 100 grain ballistic tip bullet, and just for comparison, this is a Winchester 270 on the side. But anyways, I want to share with you my first deer hunt with the suppressor, so enjoy.